dreams that wait for day. Hush now, darling, soft and deep, while the gentle moon does keep watch above your sleepy head, safe within your cozy bed. Tiny bells begin to chime, marking out the quiet time. Shadows dance upon the